Hello, everyone. Welcome to Reflections 31. This is the money magnet. This one was very popular when we originally did it, and it's all about receiving money from unexpected sources. And it typically works within 72 hours, so it's pretty cool. The body geometry is designed for receiving and giving, giving and receiving. And it's like the yin and the yang, the in and out breath. It's the everything in existence is always, pulling and pushing, pulling and pushing. And that's what this body geometry with the violet flame, Cree, and the sacred geometry reflections 31 is all about. So let's go ahead and straighten up our backs. Let's go ahead and put our elbows down, our palms facing out. And we're going to bring our hands together so they're level with the tips of our nose. We're going to spread that V. As soon as we make this, there's a spiraling vortex of energy and you'll feel it. It spins right up in front of you. This is pure source energy. From here, you're going to want to just breathe through your mouth, exhaling through your nose a few times. You're breathing in that beautiful source energy and you're exhaling the garbage that needs to go. Now, go ahead and take a look at the sacred geometry picture, and I'm going to go ahead and read the violet flame decree. And as I'm reading this, just allow it to communicate with all parts of your being. It's really a beautiful one. The money magnet, violet flame decree. I am a magnet for divine abundance, wealth and blessing flow in abundance by the violet flame so pure and bright, transmute lack into golden light. Beloved Saint Germain blazed and expand. Prosperity flows at my command. I call forth riches, success untold, manifesting now in dreams of gold. I am worthy, I am free. Infinite wealth flows endlessly. By the love and grace, my path is clear. With the violet flame, abundance is here. And so it is. I am, I am, I am. That one got my head buzzing. Okay. Let's go ahead and get our back straight, arm nose down, palms facing out. Go ahead and bring it together. Tip of your nose, create the V. From here, just want you to connect your pinkies like this and unfold your hands. So it's like this. So you see that like kind of diamond in the middle there? It's gonna create pressure as you move it forward. From here, you're gonna take the in breath. Then on the out breath, you're going to put all your fingers together. And as you exhale through your nose, this is removing the garbage. So again, very, very quickly, you only do this one time. Really important, just once. So after you clear the garbage, you connect your pinkies and you roll forward. You take a super deep in breath through your mouth, hold it, bring your fingers together so it's like this, and exhale through your nose. One time. This is all you need. You can do this a couple times, two, three times, no more than three times during the day, and expect some unexpected cash to pop up within 72 hours. This is a fun one, folks. If you like this stuff, please leave a like, join the channel. We've had a 25% increase in our YouTube subscribers since I started asking for people to join, but kicking off with um, the reflection. So those are reflections 31, the money magnet. This one's very cool. Give it a shot. Give it a try. No expectations, but have anticipation for sure. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.